How to create basic cover letter on Word app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create basic cover letter on Word app fast and easy. So first thing, go to Word. This is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top corner right here and click on the plus icon, and now go down and search for the basic cover letter, and here is it right here. Now all what you have to do is click on it like this and edit the text and whatever you want, and after you finish just click in the top corner right here on those three dots and choose save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.